G'day everyone and welcome to the ECM Market Report here for today, the 16th of the 3rd, 2022. Today here in Vale we yarded 476 head of cattle. Today here in the cows were about 4 to 6 cents dearer actually. The best of cows made $3.90 and your good heavy bullocks, steers and heifers made up to $4.40 today.
In your feeder market here today, your 400 to 500 kilo Angus feeders here made up to $6, and then your crossbred feeders, they made from $5.30 up to $5.70.
Yeah, trade cattle here today were about 5 to 10 cents dearer. The best of the 400 to 450 kilo Lima Euro cross calves topped out at $6.12. And your good trade cattle consistently made from $5.50 up to $5.90 across the day. Restock of steers here today were still very strong on last week. These nice steers here weighing around the 200 kilos, topping out at $7.80.
Your restocker heifers here today weighing 200 to 250 kilos. These ones topping out at $6.80.
With only 4 bulls here today, heavy bulls topped out at $3.10.